Good evening, students. In class 8, the first chapter rational number we have seen till the addition properties. Okay. Now we will move ahead and after that we will see the properties of subtraction. Okay. So it is same as it is already I have taught in addition. The first property of subtraction is that closure property. Okay. So now what happened in case of subtraction? The first property is that closure property, and it states that the difference of two rational number is always a rational number. Okay. So how to verify this property? To verify this properties we have taken two rational number, a equal to 1 by 3 and b equal to 1 by 4. Now let's find out its a difference, a minus b. So a equal to what we have taken 1 by 3 and b equal to 1 by 4, both we have put in their place, and after that now take the LCM of 3 and 4. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? That is 12. Now how to find out its a difference? Here it is, denominator is 3. Now in table of 3, 12 comes in how many times? 4 times. That's why here it is 4 minus in table of 4 again this LCM 12 comes in how many times? 3 times. That's why we will write 3. Now 4 minus 3, it is 1 by 12. So this one we will consider C. This is another rational number. So what we have got? The difference of two rational number is also a rational number. So this is the first property of subtraction. Now move on to the next property, that is commutative property. Okay. But in this case, in case of subtraction, commutative property does not exist. Why it does not exist? Because if we will change their place, suppose I have written here a minus b, and if I will change the place, it means b minus a. If I will do, the result will be also change. If we will see the example of the addition, then in addition if we will change the place, then the result will come same. But in case of subtraction, if you will change the place of the rational number, then the result will be also what? It will change. So therefore in case of subtraction, commutative property does not exist. So we can also see one example. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. So a equal to I have considered 1 by 3 and b equal to I have considered 1 by 4. Now find out a minus b. A equal to, instead of a I have written 1 by 3, instead of b I have written 1 by 4. Now what will be their LCM? Again it is 12. In table of 3, 12 comes in how many times? 4 times. That's why I have written 4. Now in table of 4, 12 comes in how many times? 3 times. That's why I have written 3. Now 4 minus 3, it will come 1 by 12. Now let's change their place. It means a minus b we have got 1 by 12. Now we will find out b minus a. We will just change the place. So let's change the place, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, and if we will change their place, we will get minus 1 by 12. So what we are getting? A minus b we are getting plus 1 by 12, and b minus a we are getting minus 1 by 12. Means both are opposite. That's why in case of subtraction, commutative property does not exist. Okay. Now let's move on to the next property, that is associative property. Okay. So this property also does not exist in case of subtraction, and to verify this property we have to consider three number. That's why I have taken a, b and c. In this property also, if you will change the place, the result will be change. So a minus in bracket b minus c is not equal to a minus b inside the bracket minus c. Okay. Now a equal to I have considered in this case 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 3 and c equal to 1 by 4. Let's find out first this one, the LHS we will find out. So we will put their respective values. A equal to 1 by 2 we have already put. After that 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. And when we will solve, 1 by 2 will be remain as it is, and the number inside this bracket, LCM of 3 and 4, it will come 12. Now when we will solve this one, in table of 3, 12 comes in 4 times. That's why I have written 4. Now here it is minus we will written as it is. Now in table of 4, 12 comes in 3 times, that's why we have written 3. Now 4 minus 3, it is 1 by 12. After that, denominator we can see 2 and 12. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 12? Again it is 12. Now in table of 2, 12 comes in how many times? 6 times. That's why we have written 6. Minus will be remain as it is. And in table of 12, 12 comes in how many times? 1 time. That's why we have written 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 12. So right now we have got it's only LHS. Now find out the other value, that is A minus B inside the bracket minus C, this one. So again we have put their values, A equal to 1 by 2, B equal to minus 1 by 3 and C equal to 1 by 4. Now we have taken the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. In table of 2, 6 will come in 3 times 3, that's why we have written 3. Minus will be remain as it is. In table of 3, 6 will come in 2 times, that's why we have written 2. So 3 minus 2 by 6 minus 1 by 4 will remain as it is. Now 3 minus 2, what it is? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Now what is the LCM of 6 and 4? That is 12. Now in table of 6, 12 comes in how many times? 2 times. That's why I have written 2. And in table of 4, 12 comes in 3 times. That's why I have written 3. Now 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 by 12. Minus 1 by 12. So now you can see we have got the LHS 5 by 12 and RHS we have got minus 1 by 12. Both are not equal. That's why we can say that associative property does not exist in case of subtraction. Okay. Now we will see one of the last property for the subtraction, that is the zero property for the subtraction. Okay. Zero property, what does this property states? Let us see. Zero properties. Zero property. Student, in this property, if we will subtract 0 from any rational number, suppose A minus 0, the result will be same rational number. B minus 0, the result will be same. For example, if I have taken a rational number 2 by 3 and from this rational number, if I will subtract 0, the result will be same, 2 by 3. Remember student, we will subtract 0 from the rational number. Okay, we will subtract 0 from the rational number, then result will be same. Okay, so this property is called zero property of rational number. You can see some more example. 4 by 7 minus 0 equal to 4 by 7. 9 by 8 minus 0, 9 by 8. So like that we can say that if the 0 is subtracted from any rational number, the result will be same. Okay, that's all for today. Now in next video I will give you some problem related to the subtraction. Okay, thank you.